Hey guys, on this episode of Make It With Calvin, I'm opening up the goodness that's inside this pink box, and for those who are curious, no, it is not donuts, but it's something a lot more awesome. So let's crack it open and see what the heck's on the inside. So for those who are curious what is inside this pink box, this is some soap that my friend Jamie makes. And this is the same friend Jamie that I've made the wooden coins, if you will, for her little Etsy soap store. So let's crack this bad boy open and see what the heck's on the inside. All right, so full disclosure, what is in here is actually a replacement shipment to the original soap order that I put in. In short, something happened during transit, and due to the somewhat soft nature of the soap, it got quite heavily smooshed, for lack of a better term. So my friend Jamie goes, hey, you know what, Calvin? That's not cool. I'll send you another replacement batch so people can actually see the awesomeness that I create. So that is what's inside this box. All right, let's use a Christmas train knife from Danielle for opening this. All right, we got the tape open. Let's crack this bad boy open and see what we got, shall we? We have the replacement for damaged product invoice. Thanks a bunch, Jamie. That means a lot. So, I'm a guy, but I won't lie. If you're going to send this as a gift, Jamie does an amazing job of packaging things. And if you want any personalized notes or anything like that inside, just hit her up. She'll probably be happy to do it for you. So, let's see what we've got in here, shall we? That's pretty. So we have some custom wrapping paper. That's totally not going to blow the audio out. And here we have the goodies that are inside, which is the soap. To be fair, she's still figuring out how to package things, but honestly, this looks pretty dang good to me. I mean, that looks like a soap bar. Oh man, that stuff smells so dang good. And then here we have the, holy moly, that's a chunky boy. This one is effectively a shampoo bar. This is really nice. And here we have the other little soap bar, which is for a friend of mine. Honestly, the smell from all this soap is really distracting me, so let me see if I can do this without fumbling over my words. So, if you're looking for a unique gift or you're into more natural stuff, I highly recommend that you go and check out my friend's Etsy shop. Do note she does do this as one of her numerous side hustles, so your order might not ship right away, but believe me, she will get it out to you, and if you have any problems, she will do her best to make it right. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you here next time on Make It With Calvin.